1st, 2023, and it's Friday. And on Tuesday of this week, on November 28th, I had ordered an engagement ring. And that folder that I had, envelope for the Millennium Falcon, I saved way more money than I thought I could. And so my original goal of an $800 ring was out the window, and I set my budget a little bit higher. And so it's exactly what you want. On Black Friday, so a week ago today, we went and tried on different engagement rings to figure out the size, and then she fell in love with the pear shape. So after her continuously, of course, sending me ungodly amounts of reels and stories on Instagram about different engagement rings, I found the exact one, kind of nailed it down to a point of a plain gold band with I think it's a pear cut diamond, a 2.25 carat with 18 karat gold, just plain band. And I'm very excited. It's also going to be engraved with Nicodemus on the inside, so the first person I told, or told outside of the people that are like Jacob and Mitch who were here when they saw me order it, was Rhea. And Rhea, very excited, but I'm very excited to propose. Today is January 19th, and today the ring came in. I was messaged yesterday that it got shipped, and they said it's gonna get there way faster than you think. So today I get to open it, and I'm gonna film my reaction. I've been waiting for this for good 8 weeks, 8-9 weeks, so. Okay. You get nervous like a childish, waiting for a roller coaster to start. Cue the confetti. Your piece has arrived. My heart's really beating. It's wrapped so nicely. No, it's perfect. Let's go! Fits on. That's a little demoralizing that it fits on me, but that's alright. Oh. I'm a little cold today, so my hands. Oh my gosh. So I'm shaking pretty bad. The 18 karat gold, 2.25 carat rock on that. This woman's gonna be my wife. Good job, Zach. Good job.
Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
Hi, Emma. Forgive us. We're not very good at this camera stuff.
We're not the professionals you are. We just want to wish you well with your engagement. We also want you to know that I hope you take it slow and finish school, and so that you can have the wedding of your dreams. You deserve it. You've worked hard. There's no rush. Zach, she is our precious, precious granddaughter. And I want you to treat her as the fine, precious gem she is. We love her so much. And Zach, we love you. And my prayer for you all is that you will seek God first in all that you do, in the hard times, the good times, that you would follow him and always put him first in your life, because he is the answer to all your problems and solutions.
We love you guys. Congratulations.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey, Emma. Congratulations. I'm so happy for you and Zach. I'm sending my love for you, and Devin is, and Dawson. I'm so happy for you in this new life and journey that you're going to embark on, being engaged. It's amazing. Don't let it pass you by. Enjoy the engaged life. And again, congratulations.
Congratulations, Emma and Zach, on your engagement. So proud of you guys. Emma, I know you're going to kick butt as a wife. And Zach, I'm proud of you. Just keep on seeking God, put him first, and everything else will fall into place.
You know, we've said it. If it's worth doing, it'll be hard. And it is hard. And so we just pray the best for you guys and hope that you will follow him in all those things. We love you.
What's up, brother? It is October 19th, the night before you get engaged. It's been a long time coming. I feel like you've grown so much in the last few years, and it's just been so wonderful to see you change and become this whole new woman that you are. And I love you, and I always will be here for you. But this is a new step into your future that I'm so excited for you to take part of. So I hope that this marriage is fruitful for you and is everything that you ever dreamed of. Emma, you are my absolute best friend in the whole world, and I think it's a bittersweet feeling to see you grow up and become the woman that you are, because I think a part of me will always see you as the little kid that I used to pick on all the time. And it's just wonderful to see you grow and become such a strong and confident and courageous woman. And I know that you will be the most perfect wife in the whole world. And Zach, please take care of my sister, because you already know she's a handful. But I couldn't imagine a better person for her.
Hey girl, so you are currently in my apartment showering. Here's Hallie, because I forgot to do this video when we were getting pizza. But today you are to be engaged, and I'm so happy for you. I love you so much, and I cannot believe this day has finally come. And I'm just so grateful that it's with a man who actually pursues the Lord and respects you and cares for you the way that he does. One piece of advice that I would give to you, since I've been married for so long, is to drop all of your expectations. You just got done in the shower, so I had to run out. Just give a lot of grace and accept Zach. Choose to forgive before he even messes up, because you both are human. You're both gonna mess up. Anyways, I love you so much, and I'm so proud of you and just how far you've come, and that you've found a man like Zach who is just so ridiculous. I would also like to add, just note how much of a freaking pain in the butt you were getting this all arranged, all the self-sabotage for this engagement. I tried to get you to come over and get up to Prescott, and you didn't want to come. And then you're like, I'm just gonna wear leggings. I don't want to get my nails done. I'm just gonna drive up on my own. So many problems with you. What the heck? I was big mad. You say you were big mad? I was big mad, because I'm like, homegirl don't even know we're trying to make this engagement perfect for her. Anywho.
I'm taking your room.
This mirror's so cute. Oh, it's in my wedding. Oh, you have a light on there. It said to go all the way down. How does it look?
Let's see. I'm trying to make sure there's no boogies in my camera lens.
Sorry, I forgot to put the straw around my neck. That Kristen Wilkerson girl.
Hey.
What? I knew it! I knew it this whole time!
I love you. And I have been waiting a very long time for this. And my favorite day in the world was the day I finally got to confess to you that the love I've had for you for so long. And it's not my favorite day. New favorite day until they would get married and then they would have first kids. So I just want to say that I'm very grateful for. Anyway, I just want to say that I'm very grateful for your joyful spirit that you have and how grateful and compassionate you are, and you truly do give me a glimpse into what heaven is. Heaven on earth. And I want to trust you and love you for the rest of my eternity. I want to make you the only woman I want. And I promise I will love you exactly the way Christ called me to. I might fart a lot, but it's going to be good. And it's something that I've been waiting a long time for. So, ever since that day, that knew that I wanted to marry you. Every time I look at you, I see my best friend. I see my life's purpose. I see my soulmate, and I see my wife. So Emma, will you marry me? So, we're all gonna be eating chilies. Your dad, your mom,
No.
Ella, Jake,
No.
my parents. Yeah.
This Chili's?
Chili's!
No, they didn't.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Can we go celebrate at Chili's?
Yeah.
We love you, Mom.
Man, hello, say wave.
Okay, hold the ring. Change the
Yeah? Don't take too much video on there.
Why?
Because it takes up a lot of storage.
Well, she can just delete them.
What are you doing?
I'm just taking videos.
No, can I not look at people that are making noise?
I don't know. I'm not when I'm trying to do this.
Why do you have shit face on?
I'm smiling!
Shut up.
You just gotta get the good angle.
The moment of my life for you.
Oh, you're right. Resume. Okay. Oh, I forgot to say that.
Instead of yes, I was going to say pumpkin. Have you seen those reels?
Dip?
Well,
He's dipping himself.
This is her reading her letter. This is her embarrassed because her cousin keeps taking pictures at Chili's.